3 months ago, my co-founder and I started GFSA with a great technology. We can make nanoparticles on location and on demand. But to be honest, we were a great solution looking for a problem. We spent almost 2 months on a detailed market research, and we found our problem. It turns out to be a huge problem. We needed to find electrical products are changing, and we expect them to be fully integrated into our daily life. We expect simple products to become smart when they are connected by something we call the Internet of Things. Designers today can imagine the products of tomorrow, but the problem is they are severely limited by the current production process. This process, designed back in the 60s, is complex, time-consuming, and produces tons of toxic waste. It takes at least 7 steps of applying and subtracting chemicals to make your conductive circuit, which is the basic component of all electronics. And let me tell you that VSPARTICLE is about to change all of this. We take a shortcut. No, really, we are taking out all chemicals out of the equation. And we enable you to write conductive circuits on any surface. This is the Google Smart Contact Lens. In my opinion, one of the best ideas to show how simple products will become smart. But the problem is that the current production process is not and will never be capable of realizing this dream. With our patent-pending process, we take pure copper and transform it into a feedstock of pure copper nanoparticles. We use this feedstock to directly write conductive metal lines. But you know, copper is just the first of many materials we are able to process. And opening up this brings a whole new dimension to circuit design. But this is all enabling. The main problem in this market is your time to market. And it determines your success or failure of your company. Everybody knows that product design is an iterative process. And every time you change your design, special production parts need to be made to adapt to your design. But making these special parts can cost you days or up to weeks of precious development time. Our process enables you to make your product directly from file. We bring you your demo product within an hour. Reducing days to an hour is 2 orders of magnitude reduction. And we do it for each cycle. The current production process is only cost-effective at massive scale. But you can imagine that not every product needs to be produced in massive amounts. We enable you to produce small batches because we have an almost fixed price per unit. The only way we are able to make this happen is by taking a process that needs 6 or at least 6 big machines, a big and expensive clean room, and replace it by 1 flexible machine and a small clean room. We are talking about millions upon millions of savings per production plant. And the only way we are able to bring this technology to the market is by having a great team. I will come to that later. In a market where the current production process really suffers from complexity. And the current alternatives suffer from producing low-quality products, VSPARTICLE differentiate. We simplify production without compromising on quality. And here it comes. The only way we were able to achieve this is by having a great team, with background in process design, industrial scaling up, and together more than 40 years of experience in nanotechnology. In the last years, we have proven that we can scale up the production of nanoparticles. In the last months, we have shown that we are able to use these nanoparticles to make solid, conductive, pure metal lines. But that's not all. Based on our technology and on our team, we have been awarded with more than $400,000 of equity-free grants from the Dutch government. This enables us to expand the team and build our first prototype, which combines the production of nanoparticles and the writing of metal lines in one machine. My name is Aaike van Vugt, and I am the CEO of VSPARTICLE. And we simplify production without compromising on quality. And in the past few months, we have spoken to some of the key players in this industry, and they are so enthusiastic to help us bring this technology to the market because we fulfill their unfulfilled dreams of simplifying production. Today, we are looking for brilliant engineers, especially from MIT, to help us build this product. But most importantly, we are looking for brilliant designers that want to make the products of tomorrow by using their imagination and our technology.